Okay. Hey guys, normal, average, everyday Joe here. Slash David Puckett. Fans of Mikey Bolts, you have been cheated and lied to. He cannot do 700 voices. He cheated you. So, that's why in this probably multi-parter, I'm gonna take the 700 voice impression challenge. Cartoons, sitcom people, celebrities, people I know in real life, etc. So let's do this. Hey, I'm Nathan Bender, friend of David's. I'm the sexist pig. I don't even care. Ow! Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back. From the Cleveland show? Total Drama Island. I'm Stewie. Giggity giggity giggity. Oh! Hey Bonnie, where am my trash taking out hand shoes? See, you look a lot like Yzma. I am Yzma! Johnny, you're not gonna really go and steal from your sisters, are you? Of course I am! they, I may get older, but they stay the same age. Well, I'm not sure if I should do that. I am Adam. No, that guy from the Goldbergs. What's there to know? Bury in his house. I want it that way. When a freight train on the track rolling down my road. And it's summertime in Texas and they're playing in snow. www.memory. I'm Chad Kroger from Nickelback. I am Macho Man Randy Savage. Dean Ambrose. Oh, YouTube! Don't you dare be sour! Clap for your 5-time tag team champs and world heavyweight champion! And feel the power! It's a new... Yes, it is. I'm Kevin Owens! It should have been me. Dolph. Rada. Schnitzel! Oh my. Oh, Jesus. I spent my whole life running around. God. Just give me your tater tots. Hey, funny. Why don't you give me all your money? Oof. I'm Dennis Miller, and I am out of here. I'm Colin Quinn. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'm Tracy Morgan, and I've never done Weekend Update. I should've, though. Sigh, what could you possibly gain by not actually working? I could nap you under the table. Kinda like chicken and biscuits. Country, speak countrywide. At the end of it all, you're still my best friend. Alrighty then. You got it, dude. I'm Screech. I'm ready. Double D. Hey, Fred. Yeah, Barn? Did you know we're rip-offs of the Honeymooners? Not really, Bites. Boy, howdy. I'm okay. I'm Dirk Bentley. I'm Dan Rather. I'm the possibly gay Todd Chrisley. I'm that Radkey mother. I'm the God Warrior! You see the... Oh, top of the morning to ya, dog. I'm Tim McGraw. Hey! Bah! Bah! Oh, please. The money is always right. Oh, I just wanted to see you blow it. Anyway, oh yeah. Johnny, I said no video games. Hey, pretty lady. Mama. Thank you very much. Don't worry about me. Hell yeah. I'm just hanging out, sunshine and whiskey. And I said, fuck you and fuck you too. Locked out of heaven. Oh, this looks like the job for me. So everybody, I don't know what hasn't become a part of the news yet. Oh my God, there's a. You know, Tim, I've co-hosted this show for 20 years, and I've meant to tell you something. You're a piece of shit. I'm the news guy from Mad. Cartoon. This blows. Rigby. A muscle man. I'm the High Five Ghost. I'm Benson. I'm Bender. I'm Fry. I'm Norm MacDonald. I don't do it anymore. I'm Chef Hatchet. Hey girls I don't know. Hey Johnny. One something or another. Cookie. I don't want your jujubes. Spherical Spherical! I'm the weatherman. Just a man. Oh, this is your house. Josh, you hide. I'm Crazy Steve. Gibby. I'm Neville. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm Carly. I'm Sam. Hey, I'm Spencer. I'm Brock Baker. I'm Brock Lesnar. My name is Paul Heyman. And my name is Enzo Amore. A certified G and a bona fide, and you can't teach that. And this right here, this is Big Cass, and he's 7 foot tall. You can't teach that. Bada boom! Realest guys in the room. How are you doing? I'm Seth Rollins. I'm Seth Meyers. Seth Green. And that does it for part 1. Part 1. Figure it'd be easy to just go 100 by 100. I will see you next time in part 2, where I get to 200. Well, you know how to count. For another 100. See ya.